Welcome back to Zen Zone Health, your go-to channel for practical health advice. Today we're talking about something crucial for all the men out there. Sometimes we brush off those aches, pains, or weird symptoms, thinking they're no big deal. But hey, ignoring those warning signs your body's sending can be a big mistake. So in this video, we're diving into 14 health symptoms men should never ignore. Let's get started. All right, guys, let's start with the big one, chest pain. This is a symptom you should never ignore. Any pain, pressure, or tightness in your chest.
It can signal heart conditions like angina. Angina is temporary pain from reduced blood flow. Any new or unexplained chest pain needs a doctor ASAP.
Next up is shortness of breath, also known as dyspnea. Feeling like you can't catch your breath, even after minimal exertion, is not something to ignore. Shortness of breath can be a sign of various underlying health issues, many of which affect the heart or lungs. If you experience sudden or severe shortness of breath, especially if accompanied by chest pain, wheezing, or a bluish tinge to your lips or fingertips, call emergency services immediately. It could be a life-threatening situation. Sometimes weight loss is a good thing, right? But if you're shedding pounds without major changes, pay attention. It can be a red flag for serious health conditions. For instance, it can signal certain types of cancer.
If your clothes fit looser than usual or the scale drops without explanation, see a doctor to rule out any issues.
Chapter 4. Persistent cough. We all get coughs from time to time, especially during cold and flu season. But if you have a cough that lingers for more than a few weeks, it's not something to ignore.
A persistent cough could be a sign of an underlying respiratory infection, such as bronchitis or pneumonia. So, if your cough is accompanied by other symptoms like shortness of breath, chest pain, coughing up blood, or unexplained weight loss, it's crucial to see your doctor right away.
Chapter 5. Changes in urination. Guys, let's talk about something that might feel a little awkward but is super important. Changes in urination. If you notice any significant changes in your urination, like increased frequency, urgency, difficulty starting or stopping the flow, or blood in your urine, it's essential to get checked out by a doctor. These changes could indicate a urinary tract infection, which is more common in women but can affect men too. More seriously, changes in urination can sometimes signal prostate cancer or bladder cancer. Chapter 6. Severe or persistent headaches. We all get headaches from time to time, whether it's from stress, lack of sleep, or that extra cup of coffee. But when headaches become severe or unusual, it's time to pay attention. A sudden, intense headache could be a sign of a brain aneurysm needing immediate medical attention. If you're experiencing frequent or severe headaches, talk to your doctor for the appropriate treatment. Chapter 7. Blood in stool or urine. Seeing blood in your stool or urine is never normal. It could be hemorrhoids, anal fissures, or something more serious. Always consult a doctor if you notice blood. Chapter 8. Fatigue. We all feel tired sometimes, especially after a long day or a poor night's sleep. Persistent fatigue can interfere with daily life. Seek medical advice. It could be due to iron deficiency, vitamin B12 deficiency, or more serious issues. If fatigue impacts your life, talk to your doctor. Chapter 9. Abdominal pain. Our stomachs can be quite sensitive, and abdominal pain is a common complaint. While most cases of abdominal pain are caused by minor, temporary issues like indigestion or gas, persistent or severe pain should never be ignored. Abdominal pain can be a sign of a wide range of conditions affecting the digestive system, including gastritis, peptic ulcers, irritable bowel syndrome, or appendicitis. If you experience sudden, severe abdominal pain, especially if it's accompanied by fever, chills, or blood in your stool or vomit, seek immediate medical attention. Let's talk about mental health, guys. It's just as important as physical health.
Depression can manifest as persistent sadness, loss of interest in activities you once enjoyed, changes in appetite or sleep patterns, fatigue, difficulty concentrating, feelings of worthlessness or guilt, and even thoughts of suicide.
Anxiety, on the other hand, often presents as excessive worry, restlessness, feeling on edge, irritability, difficulty sleeping, and physical symptoms like a racing heart, sweating, or trembling.
If you're struggling with depression, anxiety, or any other mental health concern, know that you're not alone and there is help available.
Now, let's address a sensitive topic that many men hesitate to discuss: erectile dysfunction, or ED. ED is the inability to achieve or maintain an erection firm enough for sexual intercourse. While occasional difficulty achieving an erection is normal, especially with age, frequent or persistent ED can be a sign of an underlying health condition. ED is often linked to cardiovascular problems, as it can be an early warning sign of heart disease. If you're experiencing ED, don't suffer in silence. Talk to your doctor. Your skin is the largest organ of your body, and it can tell you a lot about your overall health. Pay attention to any unusual changes in your skin, such as new moles, changes in the size, shape, or color of existing moles, or any sores that don't heal. Skin cancer is a significant concern, and early detection is crucial for successful treatment. The most common types of skin cancer are basal cell carcinoma, squamous cell carcinoma, and melanoma. If you notice any suspicious skin changes, don't hesitate to see a dermatologist or your primary care doctor for a thorough skin check. Lymph nodes are small, bean-shaped glands that are part of your immune system. They play a crucial role in filtering out harmful substances like bacteria, viruses, and cancer cells. Swollen lymph nodes, also known as lymphadenopathy, can occur when your immune system is fighting off an infection or illness. Most cases of swollen lymph nodes are harmless and resolve on their own once the underlying infection clears up. However, persistent or unexplained swollen lymph nodes, especially if they're hard, painless, or accompanied by other symptoms like fever, night sweats, or unexplained weight loss, should be evaluated by a doctor. Joint pain is a common complaint, often attributed to aging or overuse. But if you experience persistent joint pain or swelling that interferes with your daily activities, it's essential to get it checked out. Osteoarthritis, a degenerative joint disease that wears down cartilage, is a common cause of joint pain, especially in older adults. Rheumatoid arthritis, an autoimmune disorder where the immune system attacks the joints, can affect people of all ages. If your joint pain is severe, persistent, or interfering with your quality of life, consult with a doctor or rheumatologist to get a diagnosis and discuss treatment options. So there you have it, gentlemen. We've covered 14 health symptoms that men should never ignore. Remember, your health is your most valuable asset, and taking care of it should be a top priority. Thanks for tuning in to Zen Zone Health. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more informative health content, and share this video with the men in your life. Until next time, stay healthy.